Morning. It's a bit windy, so apologies for that, and I still haven't found my microphone, but this morning we have an agony of choice, so I'm going to give you that agony of choice. With 12 cylinders and twin turbos, or do we go with V8 supercharged, or do we go naturally aspirated V6 250 horsepower versus 2 at 550 horsepower? Well, this was going to be the choice because I'm heading over to the Motorist, to the hot hatch meeting, and the 147 GTA, oh come here gimbal, the 147 GTA is to me the perfect hot hatch, and you know, there's not that many of them about, is there? And there's not many of them about in this rather lovely green colour, what I like. And this is a fantastic car, but unfortunately I just checked and I've missed the MOT. Whoops. So we're going to go Bentley, but there you go.